Now let's move on to the next topic, that is boats and streams. Before going into the topic, we have to know what is upstream, what is downstream. Upstream means the direction against the stream and downstream means direction along the stream. Now let's consider some important quantities that we have to be careful in doing some problems. That is, speed of the boat in still water is equal to p km/h and let the speed of stream be w km/h. Then the upstream speed SU can be found out by this formula, that is b minus w km/h, and downstream SD can be calculated by adding this speed of boat in still water and speed of stream, that is b plus w km/h. And the reverse, if we are given SU and SD, how can we find the speed of boat in still water? That is, b is equal to 1 by 2 into SD plus SU km/h, and W is equal to 1 by 2 into SD minus SU km/h.
Let's see the question. A man can row upstream at 7 km/h and downstream at 10 km/h. Find man's rate in still water and the rate of current. Options are option A 3 km/h, option B 6 km/h, option C 1.5 km/h, and option D 2 km/h.
Let's see the solution of the problem. Given the man can row upstream at a speed 7 km/h, that is upstream speed is equal to 7 km/h and downstream speed is given as 10 km/h. We are asked to find the man's rate in still water, that is the boat's rate in still water B, and we are asked to find the rate of current, stream rate W. So the formula for B when SU and SD are given are SD 1 by 2 SU plus SD, substituting SU and SD we get 1 by 2 into 17, that is equal to 8.5 km/h, and we are asked to find W. W can be found out from this formula 1 by 2 SD minus SU. Substituting SU and SD we get 1 by 2 into 3, that is 1.5 km/h. The option is C.
Now let's see the next question. A boat running upstream takes 8 hours 48 minutes to cover a certain distance, while it takes 4 hours to cover the same distance running downstream. What is the ratio between the speed of boat and speed of water current respectively? Options are option A 2:1, option B 3:2, option C 8:3, and option D cannot be determined.
So let's look into the solution of the problem. We have got a boat that travels with a upstream speed SU and it covers a distance D in 8 hours 48 minutes. The same boat travels a distance D with a downstream speed SD in 4 hours, and we are asked to find B by W, that is the ratio of speed of boat to the speed of stream. This is what we have to find. and we are given distance upstream in 8 hours 48 minutes is equal to the distance covered downstream in 4 hours. So we know distance is equal to speed into time. So we can write SD into T. T is what? 4 hours, and SU into 8 hours 48 minutes. So this minutes have to be converted into hours. So by 60, and we get SD is nothing but B plus W into 4, and SU is B minus W into 8, 4 by 5. So we can take this term to the other side. B minus W is equal to 8, 4 by 5 into 4 divided by 4. So solving we get 44 by 5 by cross multiplying we can write we get it as we get the ratio of B by W as 8 by 3. The answer is option C.